About time this muppet showed up. I bet he was just like Snapchatting me from his bloody car. Sorry, stairs.
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog. Oh, hello.
I know. Volkswagen problems.
Yeah, so we're gonna do the coil pack, and then that, and then we're gonna fish that out. We're gonna pull the door card off because I can't roll my window down. It's very annoying.
It seems like a fucking drama.
Good car, mate.
Volkswagens. Cool. I'm gonna go get a motorbike. So.
Let's do it.
Bye. Oh hi. We're gonna put the bike on a stand. And this might be hilarious because we're not very good. So I'll do it alone and you film.
Okay.
I'll take that.
You take that. I'll take this.
I'll take this.
Hey, YouTube. I need to turn this around.
The finest Ballard's bike stand from MX store. Ah, shit. Okay, I got this. Maybe. This is how I was doing it alone before.
Great success.
Professional. Now I have to take all this stuff off, or at least that one, to get the tank off and the seat off and side covers off, to get to the coil pack. You look really awkward holding that camera.
No, I'm just being filmed, man.
Okay,
I got this.
Cool, so this is not a tutorial by any means. This is just content.
Content.
In my carport.
I love content.
I didn't actually put any aero guard on, so I might get murdered by...
Oh no.
I really should have got rid of that oil.
Oh, look at that. Let's get a close up of that.
That's a milkshake.
Can I make it? Oh yeah.
Put these side covers on.
Where's the mushrooms that the AIDS mosquitoes eat?
I don't know.
I think they're gone.
I think I
oh
ate
my
them.
Goodness. Someone's ate them.
Me.
Oh no, look, here they are. Here they are. So the mosquitoes eat these mushrooms, and then when they bite you, they give you syphilis. And also cancer and AIDS. So they give you caniciphilates.
This is our rolling theory at this point.
This is what we've come up with.
I don't like spending money. I just want to live in a small flat and have a big shed. I don't need a 4-bedroom house. I just want like a 1-bedroom, I want a 1-room flat with a 4-car garage. Is that too much to ask?
No, not at all.
Apparently it is. Whoever designed these side covers, or the mounting for them, which was me, because these.
Oh goodness.
These are off a TT600, modified to suit XT350. Because
big brain.
Try finding XT350 parts. I freaking dare you. I need 8.
Well, it's either an 810 or an Allen key, right?
It's an 8. Because I put that bolt in there.
Oh, look at you go.
Good news. Haven't spilt much petrol.
It smells delicious.
Do you know what grade that is?
91.
91 octane, mate. Not that American 91. Australian 91.
Australian.
So like American 87. But it's a carbureted motorbike. Like if you put 98 and it'll just run, and it's air cooled, so it'll just run too hot and stuff. Like.
Okay.
That's the way fuel works.
Can I put 91 in mine?
You can't.
No.
Why not?
It'll be 95 or above. Are you gonna get it off?
Yeah, I'm just. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, there we go.
I was a bit confused.
Look at that. Ooh. Metal tank.
Someone's got a lot of petrol. Okay. Wonderful. I hope this coil pack fits. So I got to go. Oh, get that off. I actually have to take it off because I have to put this on the new one. Because I don't have a boot yet. Because I didn't know it didn't come with a boot.
Nice and dusty.
Half stripped out bolts. Beautiful. Cool. I'm going to take those screws out, which are a number 3 Phillips head by the looks of it.
Oh.
Is it the right coil pack?
Looks moderately the same.
Looks very close. Cool. So I guess I'll put it in the hole and see how we go.
You're gonna need to change that because that's a bullet and that's a.
Yeah.
Oh, there! Hey, look at that. There's the thing right Yeah.
They thought of everything, didn't they?
Thought of everything.
So it must fit. If it doesn't fit, I will tear up. Okay. It's a good start. The bolt fits in the hole.
That is a great start.
But this needs to go through that first. Into there. Into that. If I can get the bolt started, I'll do that.
Yeah, you should, definitely.
Okay, now, there it is. Conveniently right where I dropped it. Okay. I love old motorbikes. My favourite thing in the world.
Majestic AF.
I know. Ow! A freaking melon. Ah, yeah. I can't say that, it's racist.
I don't even know what you like. Right, got me.
Called you.
I do know what you said, actually.
The people that migrate around starts with G.
Romani.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. It doesn't start with G, though.
I don't know, look, I'm
Racist.
I'm racist.
I just feel like there's something missing, Curtis.
No, that's definitely how it is.
Like, surely there's meant to be something across there.
I thought the same when I pulled the seat off. I had a look and it literally ends there. One piece ends there and the other piece starts there. So it's just...
It's very confusing.
It's just that.
Right.
Okay. Let's connect this to this. And then put a spark plug boot on.
The yellow thing goes to the black thing.
Well, it's actually a brown because it's covered in
thing
mud.
goes to the yellow thing. The yellow thing goes to the gold thing.
Put that in the hole. And then
I'm getting eaten by age mosquitoes.
Are you?
I think so.
I'm not. I don't think. I can go there. And then I need to put the spark plug boot on. There it is. Probably a 25-year-old NGK spark plug boot.
Ooh, NGK, fancy.
That's alright. I bought a new one, but it didn't arrive.
No.
I bought it and then it was just like...
That'll take you like 2 seconds to replace that.
Yeah, that's why I'm going to leave it long.
Yeah.
Coil it up in there. And then when the new one comes, put it in properly.
Nice.
So...
Big brain, this guy. This guy's got a fucking huge brain.
Real smooth, but...
Real smooth. Is it wet?
Yeah, your bones are wet. Did you know that?
What?
Your bones are wet.
Yeah, great. Thanks for that.
Is that a weird thing?
Oh dear.
Has that made you think?
Which means just straight up getting things stuck on the motorcycle.
Oh, I got it. Don't worry, I fixed it. Probably destroyed the spark plug in the process.
Fantastic news.
It's alright. Don't need that. Don't need that where we're going.
Yeah, you do.
Shut up.
No.
Okay. Make sure that's on. I need that part of the boot. So I'm hoping this makes it work. Just have the fucking longest spark plug lead in the world. There we go. It's got excess, you know, just in case.
Just in case of what?
Yep. Fuck. Beautiful.
Oh yeah, just hit it. That's great.
It's my bitch. Okay, that needs to go over that side of the pet cock. My pet cock. It's like a pet penis. Oh, this one. I need this one. Do up the hose clamp because I don't want my fuel leaking. And now, time. I did that bolt up as well. Time to break my ankle. Potentially.
Fuck yeah.
Let's get my.
We'll keep the video rolling then.
Got my wallet, my thing. Sorry, I got like pockets full of stuff. Got my fucking that, over that. Need this. Goes in that hole. I think. Run. Stand up. I actually need to take the stand out because you will keep the motorbike on a stand. I haven't. I'm not a fan. Okay. Right. I mean, it starts alright, usually.
I mean, took 2 kicks. Like.
I can't tell until I ride it, honestly.
Yeah, fair.
Because there's no load on it.
Mm.
So, I need to warm it up, and then I need to change the headlight bulb to a halogen. Because it flickers and shit, because it's probably not designed for
It
LEDs.
looks terrible on camera. I think I've seen it on camera about 2 times. So the big fella's just going to get the globe. Meanwhile, this fucking idiot didn't even turn the fucking fuel on. What an idiot. Yeah, that might fucking help us, mate. Oh look, it's filling up. Who would have fucking thought that the fuel would make the bike run? Update. It's running. It's doing the things. It's like running a lot better.
It's better than this
Oh my god, your light's staying on.
Is it?
Not on the camera, but like in real life.
Because frame rates?
Frame rates, yeah. But like in real life there.
No.
And it just turned on.
I think it works. That's the engine, not the carburetor. It actually caught its own idle. Huh. I don't know what that noise is. Oh no.
Oh no, what have you done?
I just started recording.
Oh,
We filmed a whole bit,
okay,
didn't we?
so, no, I'm going to turn the bike.
Yeah, okay, so watch the headlight, watch closely. If he can kick it over. Yeah. Who would have thought an LED wouldn't work on a 30-year-old bike? Because not me apparently, so that works. Fork boots, very normal looking now because we poked a hole in them and slid them down a bit. Need to sort out some luggage situation.
We both do actually.
Yeah, so pannier racks of some sort, just to support our panniers because dirt bike exhausts and it's the whole thing. And then go camping somewhere one weekend.
Heck yeah.
Do something. Should be fun. It's getting cold now, so
Camping weather.
Camping weather.